Justice Thomas and Judge Pollard presiding.
Please sit. Well, welcome and good morning. I try to see everybody beyond these teddy bears here. You know, this is usually what we have up on our bench. We each have an emotional support teddy bear that we usually hold on to. Anyway, welcome to the 23rd Annual Michigan Adoption Day. Wow, this is a tremendous crowd. That's awesome. And I don't know if you can tell from the smile, but I just love Adoption Day. It is truly one of the best days. So who agrees with me here? Can I have a show of hands and some claps maybe? Awesome. Okay. So because this is a courtroom and we are all about evidence, we need to review the evidence and I need to make some findings of fact. Here, do we have smiles? Yes. Okay. And how about balloons? Do we have balloons? No balloons. There's one outside. Okay. That counts. Teddy bears, clearly, including Mr. I feel like we should name him. I'm not sure. He seems to sit there all the time. All right. And then tears of joy. We may not have them yet, but I'm sure by the end of the day we will. So, but most importantly, we have children and families ready to embrace the first day of the rest of their lives. And so given the overwhelming evidence, I think I can declare that this is definitely the best day here in our court. Too often what happens in a courtroom, including this one, involves sadness and tears, as well as life-changing decisions. But today we replace sadness with joy, but we keep those tears and the life-changing decisions for the families this morning. This is truly the first day of the rest of your lives, and I am confident that it will only get better from here. So I am Chief Justice Megan Kavanaugh, and it is my honor to celebrate this incredible day with all of you, especially with these wonderful children. Serving the people of Michigan on this court is a tremendous privilege, and today's ceremony is a powerful reminder that my colleagues and I are here to serve everyone, including children, especially children. A heartfelt thank you to all of my colleagues on the Supreme Court and the Court of Appeals, many of whom have traveled across the state to attend Adoption Day ceremonies in the last couple days. Yesterday, I was fortunate enough to co-preside over 4 adoptions in Eaton County. Justice Bolden attended Adoption Day in Wayne County last week. And Court of Appeals Judge Dan Karakin is attending ceremonies in Washtenaw County at this very moment. So, and I am also thrilled to be joined this morning by my dear friend and colleague on the bench, Justice Kim Thomas. Her dedication to child welfare is truly unmatched, and you will get to hear from her in a minute. While we're talking about child welfare, I do want to give a big thank you to our amazing child welfare team here at the State Court Administrative Office, Kelly and Casey and Katie and everyone Darla, who do all the hard work and make this day truly one of the best days. So thank you, ladies. Today, we are thrilled to be joined by Eaton County Probate Judge Amanda Pollard. We are honored to have her here and looking forward to hearing her remarks and to see her preside today over 2 adoptions, right? So we have 2 families here for formal adoptions proceedings. So we are very excited to have her. And I also wanted to know that Judge Pollard is the first female Eaton County probate judge. We love women judges, if you haven't noticed. Up here, that's right, that's right. And then following Judge Pollard, we are honored to welcome our distinguished guest speakers, Elizabeth Hertel, Director of the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, Janet Reynolds Snyder, President and CEO of the Michigan Federation for Children and Families, and Demetrius Starling, Senior Deputy Director of the Children's Services Administration at MDHHS. Our agency partners, represented so well by these leaders, play an absolutely critical role in the success of adoptions and foster care programs in our state. Your dedication and collaboration are deeply appreciated, and we are so very grateful for your presence here today. I also want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of our special guests and stakeholders, whether you are here at the Hall of Justice, watching the live stream, or actively participating in adoption proceedings across the state. Your efforts and support are vital to making this day and every day a success for the children and families that we celebrate. So what I really love most about Adoption Day is that unlike most other days in this courtroom or in any courtroom across our state, everyone here is on the same side. There are no adversaries, no arguments, no disagreements, no bad feelings. Today is all about good feelings, about togetherness, gratitude, and love for children. So most of all, today is about the future, and the future of these children, the future of these families, and really about the future of Michigan, because the success of our state depends on the success of the people right here in this room. Our Adoption Day theme, Giving Thanks for Families, is a perfect fit for this special time of year as families gather to celebrate Thanksgiving. During the month of November, Adoption Month, families across the state have special reasons to give thanks as they become forever families and for an adoptive child. Children give thanks for loving parents and siblings, and communities give thanks for strong and growing supported families. My job today is pretty simple. I want to give thanks for everyone here, thanks to the caseworkers, thanks to the judges, and most of all, thanks to the families who are opening their homes and hearts to these children. In particular, I want to give thanks also to the brothers and sisters who might have to give up space in their bedrooms and share a bathroom, toys, eventually perhaps clothes with a new sibling. But believe me, that is definitely all worth it. So our purpose today is to give the public a window into the adoption process. Normally it's a sort of closed, private, quiet thing. But today we are celebrating it. Thank you for allowing us to celebrate with you, these families, and helping us raise awareness about the great rewards of being an adoptive parent. So we give thanks and commend all foster and adoptive parents and brothers and sisters, along with the Department of Health and Human Services and our agency partners. So now I have the pleasure of welcoming our presiding judge for the formal part of our Adoption Day proceedings, Eaton County Probate Judge Amanda Pollard. She has an incredibly impressive list of achievements that is way too long for me to list, but let me just give you a few highlights that make clear her commitment to young people and to families. So she presides over the Juvenile Drug Treatment Court, helping court-involved youth struggling with substance use disorder. And at the Eaton County Prosecutor's Office, she focused on child protective proceedings, juvenile delinquency cases, and adult felony cases with child victims. She has been active in both local and state initiatives involving juvenile justice reform and equitable legal representation. She serves on many advisory boards and commissions, including the Child Welfare Judicial Leadership Group, and frequently speaks on juvenile justice and child welfare. Finally, I should note that while attending the Michigan State University College of Law, Judge Pollard clerked for the Ingham County Probate Court, so she is very familiar, has spent so much of her career with it, being familiar with the challenges that are facing Michigan families. And we are just thrilled that she is here to join us and doing the work that she does every day. So please join me in giving a warm welcome to Judge Pollard.
So many friendly faces here. Thank you so much for welcoming me today. Thank you all for being here on this joyful, very meaningful day for all of us. I want to thank the Supreme Court, Madam Chief Justice, Justice Thomas, very much for opening your courtroom to the celebration and to allow us to celebrate some Eaton County families here with us today. I'd like to also thank the SDAO team for all of the work that you put into making this incredible day possible. I know it's so meaningful to those of us in Eaton County and those across the state. I also would be remiss if I didn't thank my incredible staff and benchmates who also make the work we do in Eaton County possible every day. But most importantly, we are all here to thank the families who are willing to share in this Adoption Day with us. In this extraordinary place, it is meaningful, I think, to acknowledge one of my favorite aspects of the law, which is that we are called to do what is in the best interest of children at every turn. And that's what we're here to do today as well. Through law, sometimes we are able to celebrate something which is powerful and also deeply human, and that's the creation of family. In preparing my remarks today, I started thinking about a metaphor we use a lot, which is to think of family like a tree. The more I thought about it, the more it seems like a really apt comparison. Families, just like seeds, germinate in many places, whether it's rocky ground or fertile soil. Families provide us with roots in which we are able to grow and plant ourselves, but also provide us a place to return to. And just like branches on a tree, families provide us with shelter in which we're able to grow into the people we are fully. Adoption Day reminds us that family is not limited to blood and circumstances. Family is built through commitment and through choice. And it takes watering, not to kill the metaphor. Adoption Day reminds us that love is intentional and it's created when hearts are open and when they are ready. So let's start celebrating some of these new family trees if we can. To the folks who are here who've supported these families' journeys, I thank you for your role in making this permanency possible. To the soon-to-be parents, thank you so much for your open hearts, your steadfastness, and your patience. Thank you for imagining a future with these babies in your home. I want to thank the kids who are here today too, because you're the stars. And I can't wait to celebrate with all of you today. So congratulations to our families, both in this courtroom and across the state. Let's get some adoptions going, huh? All right, let's get started. If you can. I would like to call up the family of looking so dapper.
Look at that suit and
Hey
tie.
now. All right, right there. Absolutely perfect. Gather around, everybody. We want to celebrate all of you here today. Thank you so much. I'm going to call the matter of Jackson Grant Adams, case file 25-3678-AF. I'm Judge Amanda Pollard from the Eaton County Probate Court. Jackson, so nice to meet you. Timothy, can I have you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you would provide today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you. And Lori, could you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you will provide today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you. All right, all right. We're all going to be in tears by the end of this.
We are having just because he wants to appear, but very grateful that we are here today and with a lot of support from Grant, Jackson's dad, Granite, both sides of the family, the whole family. Things have been good. They've been really good. Jackson loved teaching the run of family, and we are grateful that we've got such great help with our legal system and from family, and we're here and thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for opening up your hearts and your home for Jackson. How long has he been with you?
He's been just a little over 2 years.
So,
Been with us up here before, because we're also grandparents.
yeah, so he's been with you since the beginning. So really today, you are consenting to his adoption, is that correct? You're asking me to terminate the guardianship, is that true? You're asking me to finalize the adoption on your behalf.
Yeah.
And I believe that you are also requesting that we do this on an expedited basis so that we can get this done today. All right. It's my understanding that. And Jackson, do you want this to happen? Do you want them to be your parents? Yes. It's very nice to meet you. Are you having a good day? Yeah. Is this a little scary in this room? A little bit? No?
No.
You're a great boy. I think it's a little scary in this room for me, so you're doing great. All right. It is my extraordinary honor to say all the boring legal stuff because we're going to get to the fun part in a minute. I can find that, first of all, there is a current guardianship which does exist. I do find that there to this adoption, the guardianship can thereby be closed. And as such, the court would grant the motion for early or immediate confirmation of adoption. The court can find further that a petition in order for adoption has been filed. All necessary orders with respect to parental rights have been entered. The adoptee has been made for about 20 seconds a ward of this court, and that the court can find that Timothy Howard Adams and Lori Ann Adams should be today and hereafter forever the legal parents of Mr. Jackson Grant Adams. And I congratulate you and your whole family. While I sign some paperwork, do you want to introduce me to who's here with you?
So we have a crew. We've got Tim and I and Jackson, for those of you who can't see him.
Here you go.
This is my sister Becky, my brother Rick, Anthony, Jen, our daughter, Owen, our son, Jack, and we have Sadie Martin and Jackson children. And all of you are on board with our Jack. And me.
Absolutely takes a village, doesn't it? Thank you. Thank you very much.
So Jackson, I don't know if you get to get one of these bears if you would like. And we have to ask this guy, but usually we let somebody come on up here and bang the gavel. They don't even let us do it. But if you would like to do it, you can come up here and bang the gavel to make your adoption official. You want to do that? You want to go? We'll let you do it from here. How about? Thank you. You can do it from here. You don't have to. As hard as you can. Good. Do it. Here, take it. How about you want to whack them all? Maybe you're going. Yeah. Here we go. Which one you going? Yeah, she's like, no, do not bring that home. Thank you. Thank you. All right, Jackson.
Congratulations.
Good job.
We have certificates and all sorts of paperwork for you. We'll get that to you right after. All right, you can go ahead and be seated. We also, Eaton County has a bag there for you, Jackson, so you get lots of presents today. You want to just go ahead and sit down. Miss Jen will get you another bag of gifts. All right, next up, I'm going to call two case files. The first in the matter of Autumn Matonis, and the second in the matter of Mila Matonis. I have case file 25-3694-AM and 25-3695-AM. Judge Amanda Pollard for the Probate Court of Eaton County, sitting in the Supreme Court. I have 5 beautiful people in. Good to see you. Mr. Woolley, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you will provide today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you. Why don't you give us a little bit of history on how these 2 beautiful girls came into your care?
So, you know, I've been married since 1999. Wanted to have no more than 9 children. God only blessed us with 1. But we have promised that adopting us to reach close to that number. Because we can't have any more children naturally. And in December 11, 2.5 years ago, we got the call that says, you know, we have kids for you. And since that day, they've been part of my family. And I didn't see a day that I could go on without them being part of my family. So today, I'm grateful that they will remain part of my family and will not go anywhere. And I want to thank everybody who's been here, that showed up to support me and support this family here. And I'm really grateful. And thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Mona Lisa, is there anything you wanted to add? Mr. Woolley's the talker in the family. Yeah, familiar. Mr. Woolley, I'm going to ask just for the record. What would you like them changed to? Okay, can you say them for the record? Ms. Mila.